Hey there, future investors. If you're ready to dive into the world of self-directed investing, opening a JP Morgan self-directed investing account is a smart and straightforward move. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can get started quickly and confidently. First things first, why choose JP Morgan? It's a trusted name with user-friendly tools, low fees, and access to a wide range of investment options like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Plus, their app makes managing your portfolio a breeze. To begin, head over to the JP Morgan website or download their mobile app. Once you're there, look for the Investing section. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Click on Self-Directed Investing to start the account opening process. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one, so enter your basic details like your name, email, and phone number. Don't worry, it's secure and straightforward. Next, you'll verify your identity. This is a standard step to prevent fraud, so have your social security number, driver's license, or passport handy. JP Morgan uses quick electronic verification, which often takes just a few minutes. After that, you'll answer some questions about your financial situation and investment goals. Be honest here, it's all about tailoring the experience to you and ensuring you're making informed decisions. Once your identity is confirmed, fund your account. You can link an external bank account for transfers or use a debit card for an initial deposit. Start small if you're new, even $100 can get you going. Finally, review and submit your application. JP Morgan typically approves accounts within 1 to 3 business days, and you'll get a confirmation email once it's ready. And that's it, you're now set up to start trading. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor. If you have any questions, check JP Morgan's Help Center or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. Let's build that wealth together.